Hello Bladers! Not all drivers have multitasking skills. Some of them can just focus on one thing. Driving is not an easy task as it requires knowledge, specific skills and great concentration. If the bass gets too loud, your concentrating ability will be affected while your ears and eyes can't focus on the road, resulting in a distracting driving. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. When listening to loud music, drivers could miss out hearing audio cues around them, such as when Waze is already giving a direction, or sirens and horns, as well as visual signs. Their whole concentration is trapped on the lyrics of the song, which eventually makes them miss out traffic lights also. And then you are very well aware of its consequences. Having the radio in a very loud volume can cause problems. One can suffer from temporary hearing issues in most cases. But, in the long run, there can be a complete loss of hearing. Make sure you do not turn up the favorite song too high that it has a negative impact on your ears. While listening to music in your car does make driving a lot more fun, it doesn't make it more safe. Studies have shown that people who drove without music or radio distractions were much more focused drivers than those who drove with music playing. This is because listening to music in your car is a type of multitasking. If you're focused on singing along to your favorite songs, or listening to a funny radio host, you're going to be less focused on driving. When you first start driving on your own, consider driving without music for a while. If you must have music, keep the volume down and make an extra effort to focus on your surroundings. Also, try to stick to music with slower, more relaxed beats. People who listen to songs with faster tempos were more likely to drive recklessly and go through red lights. Do you agree with our tip? Or did we miss some of your ideas in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.